Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. I'm Amy. This is the first video in the series Knowledge about Solar Panel. Knowledge about solar panel is a series of videos explaining to people about PV modules. We want to help people better understand PV products and to make human energy sustainable faster. If you like this series of videos, please follow our channel and let more people know this channel. Let's build a green community together. Okay, let's get started with today's topic, how PV panels work in winter. Winter is coming soon. Today, I would like to introduce how PV panels work in winter. According to the report released by the WMO, there is a 70% chance of La Nina phenomenon in the North Hemisphere this winter. The probability of extremely cold weather is very high. The energy crisis is obvious. In the face of this cold winter, are you ready? Photovoltaic, as one of the most cost-effective power energy in Europe today, has come into thousands of households. If your roof is also installed with solar panels, then congratulations, you have the courage to face the cold weather than others. Because those PV panels can bring a constant stream of free electricity for your home. It sounds great, but maybe you have some concerns about whether PV can generate electricity in winter. I will pick out a few common questions to explain. The first point, the temperature is so low. Can PV panels generate electricity? Of course it can. Solar photovoltaic power generation is the conversion of light energy into electricity, not heat energy. As long as there is sunlight, PV panels can generate electricity throughout the year. Note that there is a point here. There must be sunlight. You have to make sure that your home PV panels get sunlight. This is something you must seriously consider before installing PV panels. In addition, the standard operating temperature of solar cells is 25 degrees. In an environment higher than 25 degrees, the power generation efficiency of PV panels will decrease with the increase in temperature. Usually with each degree of increase, the efficiency will be reduced by 0.42%. In the winter, the temperature is lower, but instead to ensure that the PV panels always maintain the highest power generation efficiency. The second point, will the PV panels be frozen to stop working when they are outdoors all the time? No. PV modules are low temperature resistant, and the main materials such as glass, aluminum flame, and cells are inorganic, which depend on the temperature very little. So the low temperature will not freeze the PV modules. However, the plastic backsheet of single glass modules may be brittle due to ultra-low temperature. That in turn affects the module service life. Therefore, we recommend customers in Northern Europe or cold winter areas to choose more reliable double glass modules, such as Maysun's Maysun series. The third point, will the PV panels be crushed by the snow? Generally not. All solar panels can withstand a certain amount of heat, and the normal accumulation of snow is not too heavy to cause problems. Solar panels are pressure tested before they leave the factory to assess durability and quality levels. The higher the pressure level, the better your panels can withstand the weight of heavy snow. You can ask your supplier for detailed data on exactly how much snow your panels can withstand. Our Maysun products can withstand up to 5,400 Pa, which is enough to withstand the snow load pressure in most areas. So there is no need to worry about the panels being crushed by snow. The first point, in winter, will PV panels generate less power? Unfortunately, yes. Compared to other seasons of the year, the total power production of PV panels is usually lower in winter. The reason for this is that the days are shorter and there are fewer hours of sunlight in winter. In addition, there is more cloudy and rainy weather in winter, and sunlight is more commonly blocked. So PV panels receive less solar radiation and naturally generate less power. But this is only relative to the summer. As long as there is sunlight, PV modules are able to work normally. After learning knowledge about, do you have more understanding that PV panels can generate electricity normally in winter? For the next part, I will introduce how to make PV panels work better in winter. The first one, design and install according to local conditions. In areas where the snow season is long, we recommend that you install the PV panels in the best inclination range and appropriately increase the angle. The first advantage is that it can reduce the speed of snow accumulation. The second advantage is that when the snow accumulation to a certain thickness, under the action of gravity, it will automatically slide off. That can save the trouble of not being able to clean the snow in time. The second one, timely clean the snow. Snow covered in PV panels will affect the PV panels to receive sunlight, reduced module power generation. If the snow is not cleaned in time, it will even affect the life of PV module. Therefore, after the snowfall, you need to clean the snow on the PV modules in a timely manner. Timely cleaning of PV modules can not only ensure power generation, but also avoid the hot swap effect and extend the service life of the modules. Well, to clean the snow from the PV panels in time, so how to clean it correctly? You can take a screenshot of this image and save it. 1. Do not use hot shovels and other sharp metal objects directly on the PV modules shovel snow. They will scratch or even shatter the tempered glass. 2. Use soft cloth mop to sweep the snow lightly. 3. Do not use hot water to pour open the ice layer to avoid uneven hot and cold damage to PV modules. 4. PV module wet bearing limited. Do not step on the surface of the module when cleaning. 5. Do not wait until the snow has accumulated for a long time before cleaning. Remember to clearly sweep when cleaning. Do not leave a block of snow. 6. For household small photovoltaic power station, you can use cloth or plastic paper to cover the panel before the snow, after snow is uncovered. Okay, that's all we have about PV panels in winter. If this video is helpful to you, Please like and share it to your friends. Also, don't forget to follow this channel. Knowledge about solar panel will introduce more knowledge about solar energy and PV panels. If you have any questions about PV modules or what do you want to know, you can leave your message in the comment section. We will reply to every comment, and we will pick some topics to make videos specifically for common problems. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video. See you soon.